purple. Got a peach. Got a black. Got a orange. Got a glass. Got a melon. Got a purple. Got a pencil coch a squash one. Got a sanitizer script note. Got a ruler of gwelwch one. Got a book script note. Got a triangle melon. I'm a triangle melon. Guy, can you spell for now? Got a box spread Dennis got an da.
Sut o'i ti teimlo, Dot?